Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I show you some quick and easy school lunchbox ideas for your kids. Today is Monday and we are starting off with some tortilla egg wraps. This is very quick and easy to make. You can get this ready in less than 10 minutes. I have a full video on the recipe for tortilla egg wraps and I'll leave the link in the description box. So I got it ready, cut it into small sizes so that it can fit into his lunchbox. I also added some grapes for him because we've had that sitting in the fridge for a while. And I also added some donuts for him. I recently discovered this donut at the store and he's been loving it, so I thought it would be nice to pack it for him. For the juice, I gave him two options. Today, I gave him Ribena and apple juice, and he chose apple juice. I'm not surprised at all because that's his favorite drink, okay? And lastly, I put a pack of Mentos for him as a sweet treat. So this is day 2 of packing school lunchbox, and today I'll be packing some chicken nuggets. This was requested by him and I'm also happy to pack it for him because I love chicken nuggets as well. I saw this hack somewhere of lining the lunchbox with foil paper before putting the chicken nugget. This is supposed to help keep the chicken nuggets warm so that it's not completely cold when it's time for lunch. So I decided to try it. I'm not really sure if it worked because I didn't ask him. Anyway, so I did that and put in the chicken nuggets, and to go with the chicken nuggets I added some chips because this combo goes really well. I also cut up some pears for him and I packed his all-time favorite snacks, which is Lamington fingers. This is just like a sponge cake, okay, and it's so yummy. Today I'll be making some egg mayo sandwich. So in a plate, I'm just going to mash up some hard-boiled egg and I'll mix that with some mayonnaise. And for the bread, I'll be cutting out the cross side so that it can fit into the toaster and also fit into his lunchbox. Now I'm just going to spread the egg mayo mix on both sides of the bread and put it in a sandwich maker. For the fruit today, I packed some apples. Of course, we can't really go a whole week of school lunch without packing some apples because that's his favorite fruit. I'm also packing some Pringles. Now it's time to assemble everything together, and as you can see, I decided to use a different lunch bag today just to switch things up a little bit. And today I decided to open up the apple juice for him and remove the inner seal because the last time I packed it for him, he said it was a bit hard to open it. Next up, I'll be making some pancakes because that's what he'll be taking to school today. And as usual, I used the store-bought pancake mix. Together with the pancakes, I packed some sausages which I cut up into small pieces. I also packed him some apples and some of this fruit cake which I got from Aldi during my last grocery shopping. For the last lunch in this video, I'll be packing some of these hash brown rings with onion. This was also a new discovery at my last grocery shopping from Aldi. I normally buy the other type of frozen hash brown, but when I saw this one, I thought it's worth trying. Okay, so I put it in the oven for some minutes. I can't really remember how many minutes at this time. I think I just followed the instruction on the pack. Yeah. Anyway, so I gave him half size of banana, some Ribena, snack bars, and some biscuits. This was me just trying to figure out where to put the spoon, and then last minute I decided to just put one candy for him as a sweet treat. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you got some school lunch ideas from this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.